In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an email from blocked senders list in Outlook. If messages from a person or service you trust keep landing in junk or never arrive, there's a good chance their address was added to your blocked list. I'll show you how to find that list in Outlook on the web and take the address off it so future mail can reach your inbox. Start on your Outlook dashboard, the main inbox view in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and looking at your mail, not the calendar or people pages. The layout can vary a little depending on updates, but the key items live in the same place. Go to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the Settings panel. You'll see quick options here, but we need the section where mail rules and junk controls live. Inside Settings, open the Mail category. That's where Outlook groups message-related preferences, such as layout, composing, and junk email protection. Next, choose Junk Email. This page manages what Outlook treats as unwanted mail. It includes safe senders you trust and the blocked list that filters out addresses and domains you don't want to see. Within Junk Email, click Blocked Senders and Domains. You'll now see a list of email addresses and website domains that Outlook is actively filtering. Any address on this list gets diverted or stopped, which is why legitimate messages from that sender won't show up in your inbox. Find the email address or domain you want to allow again. Be sure it's the correct one. Spammers often use lookalike addresses, so check the spelling carefully. Select the entry you want to remove from blocked contact. Once selected, it's taken off the blocked list, and that sender will no longer be filtered because of this setting. If you're prompted to confirm changes, go ahead and confirm so the update sticks. That's it. From now on, messages from that sender should behave like normal mail. If you still don't see new messages in your inbox, take a moment to refresh the page and look in junk or other, as mail routing can take a moment to adjust. Also, keep in mind that if the sender uses multiple addresses or a whole domain was blocked, you may need to repeat this process for each one. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set to get important emails back where they belong.